Hello guys. Right now I'm going to show you my slim solution of 258 problem at digits. So what do we need? We need to use an integer num, repeatedly add all its digits until the result has only one digit and return it. So what will help us in this fucking problem? First of all, of course, we need to start while loop, which will check the length of our number. Which will check the length of our number until it gets 1. So you can ask me, what the fuck, what's hell? I can't use len function with numbers, so, and to be honest, I don't wanna make some shit like more than 9. Yeah, fuck that shit. So definitely I'm going to just concatenate it into string. I mean, convert it, not concatenation. Convert it to a string, and then I'm going to count. Okay, when we get the array, each time we run, we want to make an array, which I will call R, just like, okay, let it be. And we are going to find the sum to check something. And for I in string num, so we are going to go one by one from each number to another. We are going to append each number in we're going to append each number in our array, and after we appended all the numbers into our array, we are going to go through it arrays for loop, and we are going to plus each element to our sum variable, and we need to equal our num to some variable, and finally we're going to return so when we run this loop, actually we just like save our sum, so definitely the result of each running time saves in num variable. So thank you for watching. I hope this video was I forgot about testing. Maybe I did a mistake and it wouldn't work. Yeah, it works. It definitely works, not that bad. So thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful for someone. So thank you.